In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Squarespace. Whether you're refreshing your website's design or just adding a splash of color for creativity, this is a super fun way to make your content stand out. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to go ahead and log into your Squarespace account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Squarespace login page. For many of us, a quick option is to click on Continue with Google. This route is particularly convenient if you've set up your Squarespace account using your Google credentials, which saves us all the hassle of remembering yet another password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself presented with a list of your websites. Simply click on the one where you wish to change the text color. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're picking the right one to avoid any mix-ups later. Now, it's time to get into edit mode. Navigate over to the top right or left, depending on your template layout, and you should see an edit option. Clicking this will allow you to make changes to your site's content. If you're in the right place, look for the text section you want to personalize and click on it. Keep an eye out for a small pencil icon, typically visible when you're hovering over the text section. This icon is your entry ticket to altering text specifics. Once you click it, you'll then highlight the specific text you intend to modify. Opt for just the segment you want to change and not the entire text block unless that's your intention. At the top of your editing screen, you'll notice a range of formatting tools. Among them is the text color icon. Clicking here will open up a world of color options. You could play around with the preset color selections, but if you're striving for something unique, you'll want to go a step further. When you're ready for that personalized touch, click on the custom option. This is where you really get to have fun and express your creativity. You can choose any color that suits your theme or brand identity. Squarespace offers a color picker tool allowing you to refine your shade to perfection. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the text color within your Squarespace website. Don't forget to save your changes by hitting that save button before you exit the edit mode. This ensures all your hard work is preserved and visible to your website visitors. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to enhance your Squarespace site with custom text colors. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on personalizing and optimizing your digital space. Happy designing!